Hello, my name is Deedee. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook the Whale Island food. We call it manger la caille, food from home. We're going to start it with the oxtail. Let me wash my hands. We call it legume. It's a mix meat. This is the oxtail, and this is beef chicken steak. We're gonna cut these pieces. So everything already washed, and this is crab. Everything is already washed. What I do is a small size crab. So what I do, after I wash it, I just take those little tiny leg out. The crab is supposed to give your legume, which is a mixed vegetable all together with the meat. So the crab was supposed to give it a nice flavor. Gonna get everything out, so that's good. We wash it really clean with lemon. And then we have the oxtail pre-cut. And then wash it. And it's called beef chicken steak. It's really juicy. All you have to do is rinse it out. You're going to cut it pieces. Make it like 4 to 5 pieces, because it's gonna be delicious. Mix it together. Then when you finish cut it, you're gonna put all your season. I'm gonna show you what season I use, but really you could put whatever season you like. But you have to put season with salt, so therefore you don't have to put no salt on it, because you don't want too much salt on it. Seasoned salt is enough to give it all the flavor you need it. Now you're gonna mix it together with everything. On my cooking, I only use vegetable oil. This is very healthy, cholesterol free, all the stuff. And then I love to put a little oil on my meat before I steam it. For some reason, it makes it really nice and juicy. Then I'm ready for my season. My favorite one, of course, is Larry. You put that. And then my next one would be jerk season, which is really good with that. nacho season, which is good. Give it a little bit pepper on it. And of course, you must add your accent for flavor. Put that in. Little black peppers. The black pepper is really up to you, because some people don't eat black pepper. So I'm gonna put a little bit in there anyway, just to let you know that you could put any season you want. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it together. This is like for a big family, so I'm gonna have a couple of people over, and they're gonna eat with us, and they're gonna tell us how do they like it. But you must try it. It is good. So I'm done with this. I'm gonna let it sit for, I'll say 5-7 minutes. Then I'm gonna put it in a pot, and I'm gonna cook it for about 10 and 15 minutes. So this is done. Let it sit. What I'm gonna cook with that particular meat, oxtail, beef and chicken steak, and a crab. We call it legume, but in English it's a mixed vegetable with everything. So wash my hands. We're gonna get this swelly while this is sitting down. Then what we're gonna put in there is squash. Alright, this is a squash. I know when I go to Publix and buy this, people always ask me, what is this? What do you do with it? I try it and I cook it. They have no flavor. Of course they have no flavor. Absolutely no flavor whatsoever. The only way you're gonna give it the flavor is mix it with the meat. The same meat I just seasoned. So I'm gonna cut it. You cut it, and I do like to peel it, of course. And I'm gonna boil it together with a lot of stuff. I have an eggplant. This is the best. The eggplant. And then when you mix all those together, you boil them for like 10 and 15 minutes, and then you kind of mush it up together and you put it together with the meat, and then you let it cook again for another 10 minutes, and you get your white rice ready. God, it is good. You gotta try that. So we're done with this. Then done with this. Then the next one is the eggplant. Even though you could do your legume with any kind of vegetable, but